Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. You see this tray? I bought this at the Dollar Tree and I want to make it look like a wooden tray. I worked on one like this before and I made it look like galvanized metal. Here it is. It's in my channel if you want to look it up. But today I want to make it look like a wooden tray and I hope that it comes out nice. I always enjoy having a wooden tray around the house so I can use it for decorative purposes. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm trying to get some of the shine off of it right now with this, like this pad. It's like a sandpaper pad. And so I've done that and it's not as shiny anymore. So now I'm going to start using some of my paints. I'm using some different browns and some almond color. And I'm just gonna start painting and try and see if I can make this look like a wooden tray. Right now I'm using the Folk Art chocolate brown. I bought it at Michael's and I'm just gonna cover the whole top of the tray with this metallic chocolate brown. And I just like to play with different colors and I just go at it until I think it looks like wood. So I'm almost finished using that color and I'm gonna use this brown that I have from Dollar Tree. Actually, I bought this acrylic paint at Dollar Tree and I'm gonna cover the whole top of the tray as well with that color. I decided, and this is totally optional, to use some of the Crafter Square wooden dowels, and I cut them and I'm gonna glue them to the border of the tray all around, just to give the tray a little bit of a thicker look, a more substantial look. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and paint them as well. I'm using my hot glue gun to glue those dowels to the tray. And there you have it. It looks like just like a thicker piece of wood. So when I paint it, that's what it will look like. And I'm happy with the way this is turning out. And I'm gonna go ahead and glue it all around the edge of the tray. Okay, and now I'm painting the wooden dowels with the same acrylic brown paint that I bought at Dollar Tree. Next, I'm going to use the Apple Barrel Antique White, and I bought this one at Walmart. And I'm going to go all around the top, not covering the whole top. Now I'm going to start using some of this antique white and at the same time continuing to use the brown. There you have it. And I just think that that is a little bit of a wooden look right there. And so I really like the way that that turned out. Let's continue now with a little bit of Mod Podge. I bought this Mod Podge at Dollar Tree actually, and it's the gloss one. So I'm gonna go over the whole top of the tray. And when this dries, it'll be completely clear. You won't see the Mod Podge. Next, we're gonna paint the whole bottom of the tray. I'm just gonna go around all the edges in the bottom because I'm gonna use some cork sheets that I bought at Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna glue that to the bottom of the tray just in case I put it on a wooden table or something, it doesn't scratch it. And there it is. It has a peel back, so it just sticks on. You don't even need to use any glue for that. I have these adorable stickers that I bought at Dollar Tree, and I think I'm going to use some of these to accent my tray. It's like a gold leaf effect. I think that's so pretty. Let's continue. I love the way those sunflowers look against the grain of the tray, which is actually a plastic tray, and I really love the way it's turning out. I want to seal the stickers that I used with some Mod Podge, so I'm going to give the top of the tray another coat of glossy Mod Podge. And I'm almost done, you guys. I'll show you the final product. Thank you so much for watching. I really love the way that it turned out. I'm excited to use it as part of my decor, and I hope you will try it as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hopefully will see you in my next one. Take care now. Bye now.